Norwegian Wood from the Beatles, written by John Lennon. So I'm playing this in a, with D shapes. I've got the capo on the 3rd fret there. So it's actually in F, which is just to suit my singing really. I think the record's in G, but you can put the capo where you like to suit the way you sing. Right, so yeah, I'm playing the D, but I'm not playing the E string there on the 2nd fret. I'm leaving that one open. So I've got my finger on the G string on the 2nd fret and the B string on the 3rd fret. So you get that sound there. So to get the first note, I'm doing a hammer on the open G to the 2nd fret to get that first. And you can either just hit that string, or if you hit the D as well, they both sound good. So you got that for the first bit. Then there's a hammer on the pull off there on the G string from the 2nd fret, and you're hammering onto the 4th fret, then pulling off again. So you got. Then you got the open G. Then you got the 4th fret on the D string. So you got. And then on the D string still, you've got the 2nd fret. And the open string, the open G string. Then the 4th fret on the D string. And then the open D. So that gives you. And then you change into a C chord then. But I'm leaving the finger there on the B string on the 3rd fret. So that's the shape, the C there. But I'm doing a hammer on from the open A to the 3rd fret, and then playing the G string open, and then it's like a G shape, but you're playing the B bass. So that's the 2nd fret on the A string. Then you're back to your D, and but you're playing the A bass. So all together you got. So I normally just try to fill it out a little bit. I put a little bit of picking in between those notes, which you can just play kind of what you feel or what feels comfortable. So then you get a bit more like this. I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. She showed me her room, isn't it good? Norwegian Wood. Then the next bit, you're playing a D minor 7. So you're playing the E open. On the G string you're playing the 2nd fret. And you've got a little bar there on the B and the E on the 1st fret. So that's a D minor 7. Then that goes to G. Then I normally put a little hammer on the sus4 on the G. Then back to the D minor 7 again. Then it goes to an E minor 7, which you can play with just the one finger on the A string on the 2nd fret. And then to an A7. So the A7 is the 2nd fret on the D string and the 2nd fret on the B string. And again, I often put the little sus4 with your little finger, so it's on the 3rd fret of the B string. Just hammer that on. Take it off. So you get the... She said that she worked in the mornings and started to laugh. I told her I didn't and crawled up to sleep in the bath. And when I awoke, I was alone. This bird had flown. So I lit a fire. Isn't it good? Norwegian Wood. There you go. That's my version of Norwegian Wood from the Beatles. I hope you like that. And we should be uploading lots more tuition videos in the future. Thank you very much.